Every week, we scour the internet to find the most amazing, creative, and jaw-dropping content developed in Unity. This is Game Dev HQ, and enjoy the best of Made with Unity. Leading off, Modeboat uses AR to create and interact with a miniature dollhouse scene. The fantastic people at Goodheart Games show off early gameplay puzzle games to raise money for charity. Three Dominus creates some amazing character animations in Unity. William is barely surviving against some monstrous cave dwellers. Rocabium Games shows off how they built their 2D game with a 360-degree view inside the Unity editor. Watch out everyone, Hoglet's cat is in a hurry. Cascadia Games displays a cool mechanic with ice flowers and sticky spores. Sebastian asks, is it getting colder? Indie Game Lover wants you to explore the forgotten passages in Vane as you transform between bird and boy to unravel ancient mysteries. B-Cube Labs reveals a new boss phase. Etherborn asks if you're ready to see what lies ahead. Metal Revolution displays Monkey King's newest combo. Serpent Rogue explains how the new item and door mechanics work. Felix Weston reveals a brand new Overcloud feature that merges your scene with Skybox. This was the best of Made with Unity. Be sure to hashtag Made with Unity, and we will do our best to share your creation with the entire game dev world. We are Game Dev HQ, and we are out of here. See you next week.